Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer photos from one Mac computer to another Mac computer using a USB flash drive. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two Mac computers. For the purpose of this video, we are using a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air. We also need access to a flash drive. Can be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, or even 128 gigabytes in storage. Really depends on how big the files will be that you are transferring. But for this tutorial, we are using, let's say, files no bigger than 10 MB all put together in one folder, which is okay. And so now let's start the tutorial. So let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the folder that contains all the photos you wish to transfer. So as you can see, we have this on screen. Let's now group to kind. It will save us time when it comes to grouping all the photos together. Highlight, and we can copy if we want to. Copy 10 items. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Go to the desktop, right click, new folder, and now call this folder Photos from Mac. Let's now open up the folder. Let's now increase the size of the Finder window. Go within the Finder, right click and paste 10 items. And so that itself is now done. We can now close out of Finder. We can now insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer and wait for that to load. As we can see on screen, it is available now. Double click the Kingston USB folder, or should I say USB flash drive, and we will move a folder within the USB. Highlight the Photos from Mac folder, right click, copy Photos from Mac. We can use a shortcut, Command C, copy, Command V, paste. Let's right click and paste item. Like I said, it may take some time depending on the file size. Lucky for us, it's only 5.2 MB, so we are okay. Let's now quit the Kingston folder. Right click, eject Kingston. As you can now see, the USB itself has been ejected. We can now remove the USB flash drive from the Mac computer itself. And now take this and insert into the MacBook Air. Let's do this now. Let's now focus the attention to the MacBook Air. Insert the USB into the USB port. And that should pop up on screen within the next couple of seconds. That has done. Let's now open up the USB pen drive on screen. Increase the size of the Finder window. And there we have the Photos from Mac folder on screen. Highlight, right click, copy. Minimize the Finder window for the moment. Go to the desktop, right click, paste the item. And there you have it. The folder has now been pasted, copied and pasted onto the MacBook Air. We can eject the Kingston USB from the computer itself. Command E to eject. And why must we eject before we remove the USB pen drive? Because we do not want to damage the USB pen drive. Could lead to data loss, which we would prevent all the time, or which we want to prevent at all times. So let's now remove the USB pen drive as it has been ejected. Open up the folder on screen, Photos from Mac. Increase the size of the Finder window. And there we have all the photos copied from one machine to another using a USB pen drive. Let's now close out of Finder. Let's now turn the attention back to the MacBook Pro. And so, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.